Hello, my artists. I hope you're doing well. Today, I'm going to share with you how you can make a collage on your computer. Sometimes it's hard to find scissors, paper, and glue where you are. So I found a different way you can build a collage and have all the fun of layering pieces through the screen. So we will make a technology-inspired collage, and we will be using some different links and websites and tricks. So let's get started. To create your collage, go right into your Google Drive. From your Google Drive, click into your Google Slides. After you have Google Slides open, click on a blank Google presentation, a slide presentation. From there, delete anything that's in your slide 1 and just get rid of this themes bar here. Just click away. You are going to want to start with your background, and my friends, be thinking of your environment. For example, if it's a self-portrait, where are you standing or sitting? If it's a landscape, is it at the beach, on the farm, underwater, a seascape? Perhaps it's a city. I am going to make a different kind of collage today, and mine will be an environment with something going on. So just be prepared, okay? So I'm going right into the insert section. I'll click on image, and then right over here it says search the web. Click on that, and you are now in Google Images. The best thing to do, and for every image you type in, well, we'll get there. First thing we do again is start with the background. So for this one, I'm just going to look for a kitchen. That's a simple design for mine. So I don't know what kind of background you're looking for, but I'm looking for a kitchen. I think I like this one. It looks interesting with lots of pre-done places, like the table's already set. I like that the table's set already. And if I drop it in and I see it's a little pixelated or grainy, maybe it's a choice you want to change that, or maybe you're okay with the fact that it's a little bit like that. But when I click present, I see the sides are a little bit smaller, and that doesn't bother me, but maybe if it bothers you, go get a different image instead. Okay, I like this one. It has lots to play around with, so I'll stick with this. Now, the next, or anything else that you include in your background scene, you should do this one thing first. Type the word transparent before you type in anything. For example, I typed transparent food, so this hamburger that I drag and drop into my scene is now without a background. If I just typed the word hamburger, it would have been with the background. So let me just share with you. If I didn't type the word transparent and I typed in hamburger, it would include the background. See, and I don't want that, but that does look delicious. So go ahead and take all the time that you need to find some transparent images and figure out where they would go. And if you can't find an image of what you're looking for, type in this website, remove.bg. When you type in remove.bg, you have a space to drag and drop any item from Google Images. For example, I wanted some cooked broccoli next to my hamburger, but I couldn't find a photo that looked like the broccoli was cooked. It didn't look the way I wanted it to look. So I noticed that this looks cooked nicely. So I will drag and drop this cooked broccoli into my scene. But I don't want the plate because I already had plates. So I drag and drop another one. And that gives me the idea. So I'll copy and place the broccoli in my scene right there. And I still want that burger in front. Okay, let me make this screen big so you can see. The broccoli I want behind my hamburger. So I'll click on the burger and I will right click, then go to order. And I will choose bring to front. There we go. Okay, so take some time and search up some images and add the details where you need them. And remember, this burger is in the front and it's bigger, but if there was a burger on this plate, it wouldn't be that big. It would be smaller because it's a little farther away. And if it was all the way in the back next to this rolling pin, it would be even smaller because it's by the rolling pin but behind it. So that's just to give you an idea. Okay. So take some time, enjoy this process of searching for transparent images. So again, you can search from the web, transparent. Transparent images will appear for us. And if for some reason it's still not working for you, you can use the website remove.bg. Remove.bg to give you an image that is there, that isn't there. Okay, so have some fun with this step and we'll return once you're done. So feel free to pause this part of the video. If you ever make a mistake, hit Control Z. I'm typing it here for you, my friends. This equals delete/undo. It undoes your previous thing that you just did on the image there, okay? So remember, pause this video and start creating your scene. And I have a lot of food to add to these tables and these plates, so this will keep me very busy for a while. So come back when you have your main details added. Okay, my friends, so this is my collage that I finished. This made me pretty hungry. I've included lots of food, the breakfast plate, the lunch, all the meals, the delicious meals, the hungry dogs, and a secret Easter egg if you can find it. Oh, yep, you got it. The hungriest pup of them all, who's trying to get some crumbs off of that towel over there in the back. And I chose the season and put the wreath for the winter seasons. And I'm still working on mine, so this is only the beginning. I want things in the background. I want to add some artwork on the walls. I want some food cooking on the stove. And I'm not done yet, but there's lots that we can do. So I'm going to share with you some of the other ones that I've made. For example, I titled this one Dino Disaster in the Pumpkin Patch. So this was my collage here of something that's exciting for me. I love dinosaurs and I like silly posters of things that make people laugh, like I like memes. So I want this one to say Mondays. So that's mine.